Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Cryptomenorrhea. In cryptomenorrhea, there is normal menstrual cycle without any sign of bleeding. So cryptomenorrhea is mainly because of the obstruction of the genital tract. The bleeding which is accumulated in the uterus cannot come out. The most common cause of cryptomenorrhea is imperforate hymen. The second most common cause of cryptomenorrhea is transverse vaginal septum. In cryptomenorrhea, the genotype is 46XX. Here, the gonads, that is ovaries, are normal and estrogen is also normal. The secondary sexual characters are also normal with normal breast development. Luteinizing hormone, follicle stimulating hormone are also normal because there is no defect in the pituitary. The only problem is in the is in the outflow tract where the hymen is imperforate or there can be transverse vaginal septum. Cryptomenorrhea. Imperforate hymen. If there is
thank you and thank you for watching.